everyone, my name is Idil and welcome to my kitchen. In this video, we're going to make baked brie together. This is a recipe which has been very popular over the internet for many years now. It's very simple, very easy to put together and really delicious. Let's start. So in front of me, I have two rectangles of millefeuille, and what I'm going to do now is I'm simply going to turn them into one big square. And what I did was I've taken these out of the freezer 20 minutes ago so that I can kind of play around with it. So let's do it. I really like brie with some jam. I'm using raspberry jam. I'm going to spread jam all over my millefeuille now. Getting a sprig of fresh rosemary in here. Some pistachios, which always goes great with brie cheese. And if you don't have pistachios, you can always do walnuts, hazelnuts, whatever you have on hand. Getting my brie in here. Covering this up. Let's flip it over. I'm going to transfer this to my tray. Brush some egg yolk. Get some sesame seeds in here. And now I'm going to cook this at preheated oven at 220 Celsius degrees. And it's going to be ready in about 15 minutes. We're going to see the millefeuille really nice and golden, and it will be time to taste. The brie cheese stayed in the oven for about 16 minutes, and once you see it golden like this, and it smells so delicious, guys. Like, I wish you were here to smell this with me. It's time to take it out of the oven. I'm simply going to transfer it to my cutting board here. And you know how I kind of like put together the millefeuilles in the beginning? It kind of separated, which is nice because it gives me a place to cut it through. So now let's get into it. Look at that beauty. You can really smell the rosemary. It smells so nice. You can see the brie cheese is about to melt, just about to melt. The perfect consistency. The pistachios look nice, the jam looks nice. To me, it's like the perfect appetizer when your guests come over. If you're doing like an afternoon drinks with your friends, this is the perfect appetizer. It's such a crowd pleaser. Beautiful. And I like this with a little bit jam. I like it on the sweeter side, but if you want it on the more saltier side, then you could leave it as is with brie, and you can put some spices if you like, and you can make a kind of salty version too. So now let's transfer this to my plate here. And I would recommend that you serve this right away, because as it waits, it gets cooler, and like that gooiness of brie, it kind of loses its touch. So cook it and eat it like I do now. So good. I love the sweetness of jam, the gooiness of brie, and you can really feel that like crunchiness of pistachios. The millefeuille is really crunchy. I love it. It's such a simple appetizer recipe to try. And rosemary does give it a really nice kick. Do try and you won't regret. You can find my other videos on this screen. Do subscribe. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.